Take a ride in the 2016 Soul. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes. Inside you'll find trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, multifunctional information center, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, one cargo area light. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.